Oh, there you are. Howdy. Yum, yum, yum. I'm the awful chef, and I get hungry every night, so I better make some dinner. How about you? So, what do we got tonight? Well, tonight we got something funny. I've been thinking that if you watch this channel, all you think is bread and tomatoes. Everything you do is bread and tomatoes, bread and tomatoes, bread and tomatoes. And yeah, we do some dishes with bread and tomatoes, and each one of them tastes very different from each other. You think, well, bread and tomatoes, bread and tomatoes. When you look at another channel and it's beef, 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 beef. Oh, and chicken. And they all taste different. So yeah, our foundations here are a little different. We got vegetables, we got bread, we got rice and beans, and pasta. And every dish tastes different. Got a tremendous amount of variety. Instead of beef, 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 chicken, chicken, chicken. So, what do we got? Bread! So, a little bit of French bread. Yeah, it's a little dark, but it's not bad. Cut to bits, coated in olive oil, put under the broiler. Okay. Isn't that just the most exciting thing you've ever seen? Toasted bread. Nobody ever does that. Tell you what. So they got all of this stuff. Let's put it in a bowl. How about 3 diced Roma tomatoes? Hey, can't do bread and tomatoes without bread and tomatoes. Okay. What else do we got that's not going to make this taste like bread and tomatoes? How about the red bell pepper? Cut that up, put it under the broiler, coat it with some olive oil. And you know, you're supposed to skin your roasted red bell peppers. Well, that skin's too good to waste. So, tomatoes and red bell peppers, roasted. Oh, let's see. How about some capers? Okay. The term for this is Panzanella, meaning bread salad in Italian. And as you can imagine, watching me put more and more and more into this, it's not going to taste at all like bread and tomatoes. So some black olives, chopped up. Those are good. Okay. Well, it's not Italian without garlic. In this case, minced in an olive oil. This is one of those dishes where every little thing makes a big difference. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Mozzarella. And of course it's coming out as a white blob. Pearls. Little round pearly things of mozzarella cheese. Ooh. Those are good. Now when you see some of the other videos on the channel, you realize we do pasta dishes that aren't this complicated. Oh look, fresh basil. You can keep a little bit of that back just to put on top and make it look a little extra pretty. Alright. Yeah, this is a salad with pretty much everything in it. Okay. Salad's kind of useless without a little vinegar. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I've been absent for a few days. That's because I made the world's greatest bean soup last night. That's black pepper, by the way. And the computer ate it. Even happens to us computer guys. Your computer eats your homework. Oh, chicken stock. So, let's stir this up and call it dinner. I got bread and tomatoes, olive oil, red wine vinegar, garlic. Right there is dinner for some people. Capers, black olives, fresh basil, and we're going to have this on a very hot afternoon with a glass of wine. Oh, we may have dessert too. So, you know what, just for fun, sprinkle some Parmesan on top if you want some more flavor. Do we have any Parmesan in here? We always have Parmesan in this house. Little Parmesan. You know what? A little more Parmesan. You know, there are pretty much 0 calories in this anyway. So a little extra cheese is not the end of the world. And a little basil on top of that. Now, if you are in a typical American meat-eating household, you can serve that up with some pancetta. You know, a couple of slices of nicely dried, very thin ham. You know, it's not a lot of meat, but it's the taste of meat that'll help you deal with the fact that you're basically vegetarian eating this. What does it look like? Looks like heaven in a lot of ways. You know, this is the kind of thing that your doctor says you should eat, and you will enjoy it if you do. You just got to think about it and do it. And with that ingredient list, you don't think it'll be filling. But it's very filling. If you need to, add the taste of meat with a little pancetta. You'll be fine. Serve it with a bottle of wine and somebody you love. And that is dinner. I am the Awful Chef, and this is social media. Please do that social media thing and subscribe. Just to let you know, on this diet, I've lost so much weight, I can no longer buy pants at Costco. Yeah. Little bit of diet food and some exercise, and your life will be a lot better. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the Awful Chef. Please subscribe. Goodbye.